Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office 2024 on your Windows computer and how to activate it for free. So further ado, let's get started. First, go to your desktop and create a new folder here. Name it Office 2024 and click on the enter option. Leave this folder on here. Now head back to your browser and search here for Office Deployment Tool. Open up the first site, click on the download option. Open it directly from here, accept all the terms and condition. Click on continue. Now select the folder we have just created. Go to your desktop, select the Office 2024 and click on OK. And the files are extracted successfully. So click on OK. Now minimize this browser. Let's check. As you can see, we have two files on here. Now close this window. Head back to your browser again. And now search here for Office Customization Tool. Now open this first site. In here, we are going to configure an XML file. Select your desired architecture. If you are using the laptop, select 32. As I'm using the desktop, I'm selecting the 64-bit. Select this Office Suite product from here. Scroll down and select the 2024 volume license. Click the professional volume license. Now on the app section, select whatever you need. So I just need the PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. I don't need OneDrive, Outlook, or Publisher. So click on next. That it will ask you to select the language. I'm going to select the English. Now click on next. Leave this as it is. Click on next. After selecting all of this, come here, scroll down, and you'll see the export option from here. Select this and select the Office Open XML format. Click on OK. Accept the terms and condition and click on the export file. Now select our desired folder, go to your desktop and select the Office 2024 folder from here. Now click on save. Now select this Office 2024 folder, cut this and move this to your local disk C and paste it from here. Now go back to your search option and type here command prompt and run this as an administrator. Now in here, we will need to write command type cd space capital letter C Office 2024. Now if we click on enter, then it will select our destination file. Now type setup slash configure space configuration.xml and now click on enter. Now as you can see, it's downloading the Microsoft Office 365 or we can say the Office 2024 on our computer. It will depend on your downloading speed. So let's wait for a couple of seconds until it's done. So as you can see, Microsoft 365 and Office apps are installed on our computer. To solve this problem, head directly to your file manager. Click on this PC, then locate the local disk C, then click on the program files. Now scroll down and find the Microsoft Office. Then you will see the first folder name Office 16. Now you can see there are 5 files here. What we are going to select, the third file name Osparium. So right click on your mouse and run this as an administrator 4 to 5 times. Now your Microsoft Office activation problem has been solved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials like this.